Welcome back to Knives and Tequila. Now you asked for pizza, well I came to deliver. And you ain't gotta call up old Papa John's no more, because I'm your daddy now. You call me Papa. Because today, we went to the HEB and got the finest grocery for the barbecue chicken cast iron pizza. Enjoy. Now before we get started, we want to celebrate our non-sponsored tequila, Milagro. It comes in an impressively large bottle, and I like that. Go, go, go. Now, with our pizza today, we've got all HEB products from the HEB grocery. Now, if you don't have an HEB near you, sucks. So, first, we're gonna start with some pre-made dough, because I'm not making nothing from scratch because I've got the hunger. Now we need a little bit of flour on the hands and a little flour on this, because we got to get this thing to somehow fit on that pan. So we're just gonna stretch, then I get a little flour on both these knucks. We're going in. It's time. Ha! Huh. So you just keep doing that until it's perfect. There we go. Hands in, just make it a mess. Do what it takes. So now that the dough is stretched a bit, we gotta get this cast iron prepped for this crust. Drop a little olive oil. We're gonna swish this thing around. We're gonna add a little bit of cornmeal, just a pinch. And this happens to be the only item that is not HEB branded. Don't know why they don't want to get in the cornmeal game. Next, oregano, because we got to get this crust right. So we're just mixing this around the edges. All right, so now we put the crust on, the dough on, whatever. Get around that lip. And we're just gonna let this stretch out for a minute, and then it will comfortably sit inside. All right, so now we're gonna slide it on in. All right, so we got the dough in. We're gonna celebrate that one as well, because that is the most difficult part. I know I made it look effortless. That one went down weird. Next, sauce. So we've got this, of course, HEB tomato sauce, but we're working with oregano, garlic, and basil, because it sounds like it belongs on pizzas. So we're just gonna spread this on around up to whatever crust line you choose. All right, so now that we're sauced up, we're gonna move through these ingredients pretty quick. This is all stuff, again, it's your pizza. I like these ingredients, I use them. If you like to make it exactly the same and know it's gonna be as amazing as mine, do so. So the cheese, I'm messing with this Monterey Jack with jalapenos, because I like it hot. Most people in this situation would use the low moisture mozzarella. Good for you. The pepperonis, it's all about placement. Like so. Now other must-have ingredients for me, onion, bell peppers. They'll sprinkle, gotta have some color. These little diced ones remind me of those delightful Totinos. And of course, some more jalapenos. And now, a little mushroom. Lastly, the chicken. It's a barbecue chicken pizza. Now this is already shredded, but we want it super shredded. So we're gonna go drum style, 2 knives. So we're gonna lightly toss this on top of the pie. So now that we've got everything on the pizza that I want, we're gonna turn on the burner on high. So this is heating up, about 5-7 minutes. We're gonna turn the oven on broil. So now that we've got our light smoke, as you can see, let's go into the oven. And we're going straight into that middle rack. With all this time to kill, don't mind if I do. to the brim. Oh, cheers. Cilantro back. So now we're just gonna wait for the top of that pizza to get a little crispy. When it smells done, it usually means it's done. 10 minutes in, it's time. Now that we got it out and it looks perfect, a couple final touches. Barbecue sauce, and we didn't want to stray away from the HEB. So we're using their brand. Never had it, sure, it's amazing. Now it's all about presentation, so I'm not just gonna throw globs on here. It's not time to glob. So we've got this. It's rising, just a cool dribble. Was the syringe necessary? Not sure. And lastly, some cilantro, because it goes on everything. So now we're just gonna slide this thing on out. Perfect. You could use a pizza cutter or a butcher knife. And there it is. Look, we did it. Enjoy. You like what we just got done cooking up? Of course you did. Now I'm not gonna be petty and beg for your subscription.